In PyCharm, I'm going to create a new project. And I'm going to name this project Tic Tac Toe. I will open project in a new window. Okay, we have main function. We can delete this file. And as I said, we are going to split the game into several components, each represented by a class. We are going to create 3 classes: player, board, and game. So let's begin with a player class. This class is quite simple and it just needs to hold a player symbol. So in our project, I'm going to create a new Python file. I'm going to name it player. Class player. The player class represents a player in the game with a specific symbol X or O. Okay, I'm going to create init method. Have self argument as default, and also I will add another argument which is symbol. Initialize a new player with the given symbol. X or O. Self symbol equals symbol.